Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all another recipe that I'm utilizing the egg, and a special thank you to the folks at Big Green Egg for hooking me up with this awesome cooker. So this one is going to be a very easy, simple recipe to put together, and it's very tasty. So we're starting with 3 pounds of minced meat. I'm using turkey here. Feel free to use what you like. In goes salt and 2 teaspoons of citrus seasoning. In goes 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon of zaatar seasoning, and if you wanted a stronger zaatar taste or flavor, add more. 1 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, and 3 pimentos chopped. I'm going to drizzle in a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to start mixing this. Now I found the seasonings that I put in this was just enough and perfect to season my meat. Of course, if you want to cook off a small piece and taste it, and you can always adjust. Next, we're going to take some very thick bamboo skewers which are not soaked, and we're going to take our minced meat and we're going to squeeze it onto the skewers. Now you want to make sure you get minced meat that's not very wet. You want it as dry as possible, because if not, it's going to slide off the skewers. So just place that on the skewers and place it onto a tray. And I'm going to continue to do the rest. And I went a little fatter on the meat because as this cooks, it's going to shrink and get very thin. So you want to wrap it with a little more of that minced meat. So I would say about 2 inches in thickness. And I already have my big green egg coming up to temperature. It's at 300, but we're actually going to be cooking this on an open flame, so you don't have to worry about maintaining the heat. If you want to see about maintaining the heat in another video, when I did the tamarind chicken, I shared that with you guys. So you want to take your time and pick up your kofta kebabs and place it onto your grill. You want to be very gentle with these because that mincemeat is quite tender, and we're going to allow it to sear there on a high heat. So your heat would be around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to sear it on one side, and once it has a nice brown color, you're going to flip them over and allow the other side to sear. Mincemeat is not going to take very long to cook, and if you make it the size that I've made them here, they're going to cook up pretty quickly. If you make them any thicker or bigger, they may fall apart on you when you put it on the grill. So you're just going to keep turning it until all sides are charred. Total cook time was just about 12 minutes. It can take 15 minutes if you make them thicker. And once they're done, you're just going to remove them and enjoy. You can serve this with pizza, with fried rice. You can serve it with a salad. It's very versatile and it's so flavorful. You guys have to try this recipe and let me know what you think. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Do make it and let me know down below what you think. Special thank you again to Big Green Egg for hooking me up with this awesome cooker. If you all are interested, you can go to their website, which I'll leave in the description box for you all, and you can also Google search where else you can find it. So comment down below if you make this recipe. Let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today again. I'll see you guys in my next video, and be sure to stay tuned to see all of the awesome recipes that I've been cooking up using my big green egg, and check out my tamarind chicken recipe. I'll leave the link for that also down below. Have a good one, guys. Bye bye.